Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to refresh disk data in WizTree step by step. If you've recently added, moved, or deleted files and want WizTree to display the latest storage information, refreshing the disk data is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your Windows computer. If prompted, allow it to run with administrator privileges so it can access your drives and provide the most accurate results. Once the application opens, select the drive you want to refresh from the drop-down menu at the top. Next, click the Scan or Rescan button, depending on your version of WizTree. This tells the application to analyze the selected drive again and update the folder tree, file list, and visual tree map with the latest disk usage information. Wait a few moments while the scan completes. WizTree is known for its speed, so even large drives are usually refreshed in just a few seconds. Once the scan is finished, you'll immediately see any changes caused by newly added, moved, or deleted files. If the updated information doesn't appear, make sure the correct drive is selected and verify that the files were actually changed in Windows. You can also close WizTree and reopen it before running another scan if needed. For the most accurate storage analysis, it's a good idea to refresh your disk data whenever you've made significant changes to your files or folders. This ensures you're always working with the latest information before cleaning up or managing your storage. And that's it. You now know how to refresh disk data in WizTree and keep your scan results up to date. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Flow Launcher on your Windows computer.